Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying MSM firmware and DAW compatibility. This prevents driver conflicts. Once done, physically connect the microphone to the XLR input, then link the interface to the MSM with USB-C or 1/4, depending on your model. Next, choose 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz sample rate to match your project, and set the input gain around -12 dB so peaks don't clip. Make sure to use closed-back headphones for monitoring. This helps you hear true levels without bleed. You now configure the signal path inside MSM. Open the routing panel and assign each input to the correct preamp, apply desired inserts like compressors or EQ on the channel, and send to your bus for recording. Once routed, enable low-latency monitoring and set the DAW buffer to 64,256 samples to balance performance and stability. Also, insert a gentle high pass at 80 Hz to remove rumble. Check phase relationships between mics and make small trim adjustments between -0. You finish by arming tracks and performing a 5 to 10 second test take to confirm levels, latency, and monitor mixes. Once satisfied, save the MSM preset and create a session backup while labeling takes with timecode or brief notes for quick retrieval. If problems arise, try this key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle the MSM and the interface, reseat all cables, restart the DAW, and reinstall drivers if needed. This sequence clears common hardware handshakes and usually restores stable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.